Looking for an affordable way to protect documents, photos, and projects? The Ibzdi 9-inch laminator machine is the #1 new release in laminators and packed with features for home, school, or office use. Its compact, lightweight design saves space on your desk while still delivering professional quality results. With mica sheet heating and dual rollers, you get smooth, bubble-free laminations every time, perfect for menus, training materials, photos, or craft projects. The ABS anti-jam function makes stuck pages a thing of the past, while overheat protection keeps things safe. You can choose between hot and cold modes with quick warm-up in just 1 to 2 minutes. Plus, this is a complete 4-in-1 kit. The laminator, a built-in paper cutter, a corner rounder, and 40 laminating sheets in multiple sizes, all included for just $29.99. Whether you're preserving memories or keeping work documents sharp and professional, this laminator makes it easy, reliable, and stress-free.